Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Bop It Xt. This exciting game challenges your reflexes with 5 distinct actions: bop it, twist it, pull it, flick it, and spin it. The device calls out commands and you must perform the correct action swiftly. It's all about speed and accuracy. Miss a command or take too long and your game is over. Get ready to test your reaction time. Bop It Xt offers 4 fantastic ways to play. In solo mode, you can challenge yourself to beat your personal best. For group fun, Pass It mode lets 2 or more players take turns, passing the device around. If you prefer direct competition, one-on-one mode is designed for 2 players. Finally, Beat Bop mode adds a rhythmic twist, asking you to perform actions in time with the music. To truly master Bop It Xt, focus on the flick it and spin it commands. Flick it involves a swift upward movement of the blue lever, while spin it requires rotating the yellow wheel in either direction. Practice these actions until they become second nature. Always listen intently to the spoken instructions, as the pace quickens significantly. Staying focused and anticipating the next command will greatly improve your score. Scoring in Bop It Xt is straightforward. You earn 1 point for every correct action. As your score climbs, the game intensifies, delivering commands at a much faster pace and in more complex sequences. An incorrect move or a delayed response will end your current game. The device saves your highest score, motivating you to keep playing and strive for new personal bests. Can you reach 100 points?
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.